Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Namaste. Welcome to Present. Simple yoga for busy people. We continue our practice with range of action. There is a tendency in many of our societies to be focused on doing more, bigger, faster, better, quicker. And that often results in facing struggle, frustration, often injury. And we end up feeling like we're not enough, we're not good enough. No matter how much we do, there is more that we could do. So that it generates a lot of self-judgment. Instead, what I would like you to explore is this idea of range of action. What is the complete range of natural possibilities available to me at this point? And for that, range of action becomes range of awareness, which is what can I do consciously? Is it helpful or unhelpful what I do to be more present? So, range of action is not only about physical action, but it is also range of action mentally, emotionally, in our breath. We're going to try a simple technique called Brahmari. It's a breathing practice that helps lengthen the exhalations by creating a soft vibration in the throat. We can try that. And right before we start, let's feel how we feel right now before the practice. Notice how you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. Brahmari is this breathing technique where we create a gentle humming sound at our throat, and it will help us notice, by noticing the sound, the evenness or unevenness of our breath, the length of our exhalations. It can also help us explore range of action because we can play with making the sound or the vibration softer, louder, lower pitch, higher pitch, and that may give us the perception of a different places where we can create the vibration. So it's pretty simple. We'll find a comfortable position, whatever is comfortable for you, and then we'll start with comfortable inhalations, and we'll create a sound like mm. So let's try it. You can stay at one level of pitch and loudness, or you can play with that. As you explore, notice what helps you stay focused on what you're doing. What makes this smoother, easier? Do one last round. then take a moment to notice what are the effects of this technique, thus changing the length of your exhalation, the pitch, and the volume. Make any difference in how you feel. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope that you find this exploration helpful and that you let me know what you think of that practice, what discoveries you make, and also what challenges may arise. Until next time, Namaste.